may I inform the Governor that Meghalaya is not a Hindi-speaking state. We condemn the Governor for addressing us in the language we don't understand. And here it speaks out very clearly that the business of the Assembly shall be transacted in English. So through you, sir, may I inform the Governor that Meghalaya is not a Hindi-speaking state. I would also like to remind each one of us that the people and the leaders of the state decided to part ways with Assam because the Assam government tried to impose Assamese as an official language. So, sir, I feel that we should not allow this to become a tradition in this August House, sir. The Governor should address to us in the language we understand.
Bomb in different places.
Kindly do not divert what I have said. I have said the situation is better.
Okay, let him carry on, please.
So,
please sit down.
no change the rules.
Yes.
I said the situation is better.
Sir,
I didn't say
Mr. Deputy
perfect.
Speaker, sir, the very essence of debate, we should always understand the very essence of debate. If somebody has
Okay, you continue.
mentioned which is not correct, I will have to correct it.
You continue.
This is
your
my
speech.
privilege as the member of this August House.
No.
Let me tell you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I have the privilege also. Not only him. What the hell you are talking about?
See,
I have the privilege also.
Please.
Hey, man, I have the privilege also.
Please,
Don't talk like that.
Please.
I said better situation.
Saling Sangma, please sit down.
we can see the record, sir. He has mentioned that we are living
Come
peacefully.
here.
We are living
Have you
peacefully.
been a victim?
Please, sir. Please,
His unparliamentary words should be.
please, be silent.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Member, please sit down. No, please sit down. Please sit down.
Don't talk to me, talk to the chair.
Please sit down.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Please sit down.
I'm not talking to you.
For the House, so please. It's not my fault. Yeah.
It's not his fault actually. I saw him standing before him, but you're not looking at him. And then one of the members was also standing up to say something. At least let them have a privilege of speaking actually. And then since this is not working. So we want this to be working, please. This is very embarrassment to the assembly itself. There's a very highest of the house when we are not having the stupid what do you call this one? Microphone. It's not good.
It's not working well. I'll direct the officer concerned to check all this microphone. Since this morning it's not working well because some of the microphone.
Because to tell these things to let them do their duty.
But I don't know
Why the hell these people are, why these people are neglecting the house? This is the highest decorum of the state. And then these people who are not looking after this thing very nicely.
Yes, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to submit, I just would like to submit. Well, sir, I think this must be the first time it happened.
No, last time it happened.